We really pride ourselves in teaching every student that comes through our program not only how to teach and those basics of the curriculum, but we help them prepare themselves to teach to their strengths. Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Kiyomura, the Director of the School of Education at Hawaii Pacific University. HPU has a great working relationship with St. Andrew's Schools, in which we have a number of student teachers that are placed here to get their clinical practice experience, that are working in part-time positions. They do after-school care. They also serve as classroom assistants. We also have alumni that are teaching in the classroom here at St. Andrew's, so they really get an opportunity to build that relationship.
I was interpreting for the deaf for 9 years in Boston, Massachusetts, and I was trying to apply for grad schools, and I came across HPU. I contacted the School of Education, and they offered me a grad assistantship to come to Hawaii and get a second master's in education. So I applied and started in 2016 and graduated in May 2018. I'm Mikey Rickman, and I'm a second grade teacher at the prep at St. Andrew's Schools. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. The experience at HPU was phenomenal. I mean, the close-knit family type, what drew me in to even come here. I love the small class sizes, the professors were always there for you, and they're very supportive from the beginning, from when you start all the way until you end your program. But then it doesn't stop there. They're so supportive with my journey as an educator that I don't feel lost even after you graduate. I'm not like in this big sea of teachers on my own. I always have people to fall back on, and it's like a family. I've been grateful for that because I moved here knowing 0 people. So the fact that I had that support has gotten me where I'm at today.
Our HPU students in the School of Education really get an opportunity to get a hands-on experience in the classroom, whether it's in their student teaching or also in their curriculum classes. We do a number of micro-teaching where students get to teach in front of each other. They really learn a lot of different types of teaching strategies, as well as different useful techniques that they can use in the classroom directly. I think what sets us apart from other teaching programs is our engagement with the students in a one-on-one fashion.
I love second grade because you start to see the independence being gained by the kids. And I love to see that confidence build in a child to know that they can handle things on their own, that they can also fail and that's okay. They can learn from the mistakes. And they're also eager to learn. They're curious about learning, they're curious about the world around them. And I love being able to bring that out.
Anyone that's interested in any of the programs that Hawaii Pacific University offers, visit our website at hpu.edu.
After a while, crocodile.
Brought to you by Hawaii Pacific University.